Looking to quickly hire the best talent but unsure where to start? In this video, we're going to walk you through 7 key things you need to know before buying Quickly Hire, so you can make the right decision for your business. Stick around till the end and we'll share how to get an exclusive free trial that'll help you explore all the benefits of the platform. The first thing you should know about Quickly Hire is how easy it makes the recruitment process. Unlike traditional hiring platforms, Quickly Hire streamlines everything. With their smart algorithms, you're able to instantly connect with top candidates, cutting down on hours of sifting through resumes. Whether you're looking for a freelancer or a full-time employee, Quickly Hire makes it effortless compared to competitors like Upwork or LinkedIn. Next thing to consider is the software's user-friendly interface. If you've used platforms like Workable or Greenhouse, you know how overwhelming some recruitment tools can be. Quickly Hire simplifies this by providing a dashboard that even first-time users can navigate without training. The design is intuitive, ensuring that your team can focus on hiring without getting bogged down in technical issues. The third thing you need to understand is Quickly Hire's comprehensive candidate vetting process. It goes beyond just resume screening by integrating advanced AI that evaluates applicants based on skills, personality, and past performance, ensuring you get high-quality talent. Many hiring tools only give you the basics, but Quickly Hire gives you detailed insights that you simply won't find in competitors. The fourth thing is their flexible pricing model. Quickly Hire offers multiple subscription plans, allowing you to scale your hiring efforts as needed. Whether you're a small business looking for a few hires or a large corporation recruiting in bulk, they have a plan for you. This flexibility stands out compared to more rigid platforms like Indeed, where you're often locked into expensive pay-per-post pricing models. Next thing to highlight is the time-saving integrations. Quickly Hire connects smoothly with various tools you might already be using, from your CRM to project management software. It makes everything seamless. While other platforms might require extra steps to sync up, Quickly Hire integrates effortlessly, saving your HR team valuable time. The sixth thing is the support you get. One of the biggest complaints people have with hiring software is poor customer service. With Quickly Hire, you have access to 24/7 customer support, with both live chat and email support, plus helpful resources to guide you through any issues. This is something that gives Quickly Hire an edge over many competitors, where support can often be slow or impersonal. The final thing to know is the data-driven insights that Quickly Hire offers. After each hiring campaign, you get access to detailed analytics that help you understand your hiring trends, candidate engagement, and even suggest improvements for future job postings. This level of insight isn't just helpful, it's crucial for optimizing your hiring strategy long-term. Competitors may offer basic metrics, but Quickly Hire takes this to a whole new level. So, if you're ready to see how Quickly Hire can simplify your hiring process and improve the way you attract top talent, click the first link in the description. You'll get access to an exclusive free trial, along with additional benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start making better hires today.